beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, my order has just gotten here for the Kylie Jordyn collab palette and makeup goodies, and you beauties are probably like, Alegra, didn't that collab come out like over a year ago or something like that? But they were having a huge sale on the Kylie website because of all the drama with Jordyn cheating with Tristan and stealing Tristan from Chloe and all the blow up. Jordyn getting kicked out of Kylie's house. Oh my god, there is just so much drama, guys. So they did have a huge sale on the Kylie Cosmetics website. I did purchase some items that I never had got to try the first time that they came out. So I'm going to do that today, guys. I'm going to show you what I got. I did a tutorial with the items that I got, and also I'm having a giveaway for you beauties, so you guys can enter to win one of the Kylie Jordyn collab pieces as well. So just keep watching to see exactly what I got and see how you can take part in the giveaway, and definitely subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So just keep watching to see my Kylie Jordyn collab makeup video. Got my Kylie and Jordyn palette here. This is my first time opening it with you guys, but right through the, oh my god, right through the material, right through the packaging, the packing material, you could see this palette is just so beautiful, guys. This is like making me even sadder now seeing it. Okay, just look at, that is just so sweet. The two of them with the hearts and looking slayed to the gods. Are you team Jordyn or team Khloe Kardashian? Or team Kardashians, guys? What the F is going on here? So like everybody all over the internet, you have all probably heard about how Jordyn has hooked up with Tristan, Khloe's baby daddy, and so apparently Jordyn has gotten tossed out of the house, bought out of the makeup business that she was doing with Kylie, and so they were having a huge makeup sale on the Kylie website, and I went ahead and took advantage of the sale, and I had to, guys, right? I picked up this palette, and just look how gorgeous. Oh my god. And oh my god, look at the names of the shades in here. Wife Life, Loyal, True Love, Peru, Soulmate, My Heart, Love You Bitch, oh my god, Marry Me, Wild Love, Ride or Die, Sister, Don't Ever Leave Me. That is so sad, guys, because you could tell, everybody could see how much Kylie and Jordyn seem to just have the ultimate friendship, and oh my god, but look at this palette. This is so beautiful. Wow, they are so beautiful. I'm really glad I got this now, actually, because I only bought it because of the sale, so otherwise I wouldn't have purchased this. But look how gorgeous. Oh my god, these shades are just absolutely stunning. Chocolatey, those shimmer shades, the pressed pigments, the purples, the beautiful rose gold shade. So I figured I would try out the palette today with you dolls, and we can chit chat. And guys, I also picked up the Jordyn Woods lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics, but it hasn't gotten here yet, but I did get it for you dolls for a giveaway. So definitely leave me a comment below letting me know if you're team Khloe or team Jordyn, or if you just don't even give, you know, an F and you just want to win the lipstick. Just comment below and let me know if you'd like to take part in this little giveaway for the Jordyn lipstick. It's like a matte shade. It's really beautiful. So it just didn't get here yet, but I also did pick that up at the sale. So let's get right into it and try out these shadows. I've never really used Kylie shadows, like this kind of wearable colors. The two palettes that I got from Kylie were her Valentine's palette, which was all pinks, and then I also got a purple palette, so it was all purple shades. This is my first time trying out her warm tone shades, so I'm really excited because those are actually my favorite shades to wear on a daily basis. I'm just gonna go in with Wife Life and see how this works. So guys, were you shocked as me? I mean, I was so shocked when I found out that Jordyn had hooked up with Tristan. Oh my god. I have heard the craziest conspiracy theories all over the internet about what is really going on, like that Chris has actually paid her to, you know, just create drama for the show. I don't know, guys, but let me know what you guys think. But, you know, in a way, I could totally see that being true. I don't know. I just feel like I wouldn't put anything past Kris Jenner. Or is it Kris Kardashian? Remember she was going to change her name back to Kris Kardashian? That was so funny. But I just feel like I wouldn't put anything past them to get the ratings up, to keep the drama going. And another thing that I was thinking, I said, imagine Chris had paid Jordyn to hook up with Tristan, because I don't know if you guys had seen, but it seemed like the Kardashians were really upset because Khloe was wanting to go stay in Cleveland, Ohio with Tristan. And it seemed to me like they were not happy about that, if you know what I mean. Like, I feel like the family wanted her back in LA, and I don't know if you watched the show, but I remember when Courtney wanted to move to New York City with Scott. Remember, they were like, they were not having it. They were all got together to try to keep her in LA so she wouldn't move to New York City with Scott. And guys, I feel so bad about that. I'm like, you know, things would have been so different. They would have been together still, I think, if they had moved to New York City together. And you know, look, guys, I'm just really too invested in all this, but it's all fun, right? But I'm like living for the fairy tale, and I wish that Courtney and Scott were still together. I wish that they had wound up living in New York City, you know, gotten away from, you know, like the family dynamic and stayed in New York City and raised their family and stayed together, you know, and then there would be no, what's her name, that little doll, Sophia, whatever, whatever her name is, you know, I want them back together. Anyway, that ship has sailed, right? But anyway, let me try out this shade here, guys. This is the color Peru. So I'm just using my new Jeffree Star brush here. This is from the Jeffree Star Morphe collection. I just love this brush. So that's really a beautiful shade also. Wow. And these are not patchy at all, so I'm really glad I got that. Now I'm reading that Jordyn has convinced Kylie to bring her back into the house, bring her back, you know, that she apologized and they're back to being friends. So I don't know, guys, like, I'm just gonna use that shade here. I wouldn't put anything past these Kardashian people. I swear to God, I really could see Jordyn getting back. I could see this all being a huge, like they said, like just something that Chris has made up for ratings, you know, and it's really, and they're gonna get back together. Kylie and Jordyn are gonna get back to being friends. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm so glad I got this palette though. This is really beautiful. I was not expecting this. And the shades are just blending beautifully. So many people too. I mean, did you guys see how Cardi B and everybody is just so involved in this? You know, saying that, because a lot of people are team Jordyn. They really feel like, you know, this is Khloe's, you know, karma for stealing Tristan when she met him. Apparently he was going out with that other beautiful girl, I forgot her name, but she has an Instagram, I'll link it below. She is just she seems like such a wonderful girl, like especially to her son, and she's always posting the most beautiful outfits. So I forgot her name, but apparently Tristan was going out with her when Khloe met him, and Khloe stole him from her. So people are saying this is like her karma come back to her, you know, for stealing Tristan in the first place. So I don't know, guys. And then like Cardi B was saying, even if it's true, it's just not right to be happy about other people being in pain, because, you know, obviously Khloe is in a lot of pain, having been found out that her baby daddy's cheating on her. But like this, Jordyn was like her little sister. Since they had spent so much time together, you know, and they would always call her family. I mean, even on the palette, they're calling her sister. So it's like your little sister cheating on your baby daddy with, you know, it's awful. So you like Cardi B was saying, we shouldn't be wishing that on anybody or celebrating that, because it's like so painful and awful what has happened to Khloe. But guys, I don't know if any of this is true, but like I said, I'm just too invested in all this. But did you guys see that they said that Khloe has gone back with Lamar? So I'm like, what? I don't know if I believe that. That just popped up on my YouTube feed the other day, and they were like, Khloe and Lamar's gotten back together. He's helping her, you know, overcome the heartache. I was like, I don't know if I could believe that, guys. I just can't. I just cannot believe that. And then is like Lamar gonna be Baby True's new daddy like this? I can't believe it, guys. I just can't. I'm sorry. I can't believe that. So these are just so stunning. I'm really, really glad now, guys, that I got this. So guys, I absolutely love these shadows, and I'm gonna go in and just pop some of these pressed pigments, these shimmer shades, onto the front portion of my lid. So I think I'll just use this shade here. It's called Wild Love. It's just really different, and I'm just going to put it on it's like a purple-esque shade. So I'm just gonna put it on a very small angled brush, and I'm just gonna wet my brush with my beauty mist. That's gonna be out soon, guys. I can't wait. So be on the lookout for that. And let's just see how this comes out. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Wow. Oh, and it's very unique. It's like very 3D, iridescent. Oh, that is really unique and stunning. So actually, I'm so shocked. I kind of figured this is like, that's another reason I didn't buy this palette initially, because I thought, you know, it seems very similar to a lot of shadows that I already own, but this color is like no color that I have whatsoever. It's absolutely stunning. Look how gorgeous. That's amazing. So I'm just taking my MAC Coastal Riche and just smudge that. I mean, I hope you guys can see, but this purple shade is like nothing I've ever seen in my life. Like, honest to God, it is absolutely stunning. I will definitely be purchasing more Kylie shadows, but this is gorgeous. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes, finish working on my face, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I put on my lashes, I did my bronzer, my contour, a little bit of highlight, and I smudged the same shadows on top underneath my eyes. I am just like so shook at how amazing these shadows are. So I'm just gonna put on some wing liner now. So I'm just gonna take this Stila. This is the Stay All Day waterproof liner. Absolutely love this liner so much. So I'm just putting a little bit just to disguise the lash band. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on this MAC lip. First I'm going to take the lip liner Cork, and I'm just going to line the inner perimeter of my lip. And I'm going to take the MAC lipstick Yash and just go right in the center of my lips, not really near the lip liner. I'm going to blend that out later. So I just love that. And I'm just going to take some clear gloss and just top that off. I'm also going to pop on some of this Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. Oh my god, this mascara is so unbelievable. I'm just going to use this to bring everything together with the lashes. So dolls, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this palette. If you can get your hands on it, it truly is amazing. And now, I hate to say it for my own selfish reasons, I hope they get back together, Kylie and Jordyn, so they create more bomb ass makeup, because this is really amazing. So I definitely want more. I want more, guys. I want another collab from Kylie and Jordyn just to get another amazing palette like this. That's so selfish of me, right? Guys, definitely if you'd like to take part in my giveaway for a Kylie Jordyn collab lipstick, then just comment below. Let me know you want to take part. Let me know if you're team Chloe or team Jordyn. What are your thoughts? I would love to hear what you guys think about the whole sad situation. It really is sad. It really is. Even seeing this palette, all the names, all the love behind it, it's just really bringing it home for me personally how sad it is, because you can really feel the love that the names they chose for the shades, all the beautiful hearts on the palette, how much love they had together, Kylie and Jordyn. So it's really sad to see a friendship break up. So I do hope they can work it out. Maybe they could all go to therapy and work it out somehow and get back together. Thanks so much, guys, for coming and hanging out with me today. Definitely take part in the giveaway. Check out my monthly giveaway. Just subscribe to my channel to take part in all my giveaways. That's all you have to do. Comment and let me know you want to take part. Give me thumbs up and you'll be entered in all my giveaways and future giveaways and all that good stuff. We always have a lot of fun times around here, fun giveaways, fun tutorials, and all kinds of good stuff. So definitely subscribe. So thank you guys so much again. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Love you.